For our second example, we're going to look at if you are given the longest side, the hypotenuse, and you need to find one of the other sides. So this one's slightly trickier. We still follow the same steps that we talked about above. Very first step is to identify that it's a Pythagoras question and a right angled triangle. We can see that clearly. And we need to write the formula we're going to use. So we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Second step, make sure all the measurements are in the same units. We've got centimetres, so we're good to go. Third step, draw a diagram. Done, got one. And label the sides. Remember, first side you label is the hypotenuse. Label that as a C. Other two sides can be A and B. Doesn't matter which order they are in. Fourth step, substitute the measurements into our formula here. So for A, I've got 19.3. For B, I'm just going to leave it as a B. For C, I've got 24.2 squared. Don't forget the squared. Now, we're going to have to do a bit of arranging because we want to get the B by itself. So if we take away this from this side, we should be left with B. So I'm going to take away 19.3 squared. Take away 19.3 squared. And these two will cancel, so we're just left with B squared equals 24.2 squared minus 19.3 squared. We can do our next step, which is to calculate. So we throw this into the calculator and end up with this is still b squared. So our second last step is to square root this to get b by itself and get rid of this squared. B equals square root of 213.15. Make sure that square root sign goes across the whole number. And if you put this in your calculator, you'll get 14.60. Final step, don't forget, add your correct units. We've got centimetres, so this is going to be centimetres.